Alright, so this is the next Mo and Mo show, and hold on! And we are doing a Honk If You Love Jesus episode. So here's how it goes. We stand in the middle of the street and see if we can get people to honk for Jesus. So here's Monica in the first car! Zoom, you A! Oh my god. Alright, first car, honk! Honk! Wow! Don't switch camera! Go, 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 go!
There's one more! Praise to Jesus, honk! Dang it! There's one more. Oh my god, like fun! Are these people blind? Jade! Hey, how's it going?
Okay. Well, we gotta get out of the street. In the middle of the street, hurry. We love Jesus!
We're badasses.
And apparently so do no one else. So, love Jesus in your own way. You're giving a boob.
Fuck! There's a guy. Damn it.
Okay.
Damn it, it got me excited.
Alright, we love Jesus. Bye.
Oh, is that cute?
Yeah.